up, Lash Gang, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a quick DIY tutorial on these Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails that I picked up at Walgreens. You guys, want to tell you I got a deal. They were buy one get one half off. Not sure how long that deal is going on for, but I paid $16 for 2 packs of cute nails, if I say so myself. Really cute. I mean, the other ones, like you seen, they had the rhinestones on them, studded out, bomb, and they not like the back in the day thin, flimsy press-ons. These are some good, thick, quality press-on nails, okay? But anyways, let's get into this video. So for the first step, I did go ahead and trim down my nails because since the nails that I was putting on had the clear tips, I did not want you to be able to see my real nail underneath it. I felt like that would look so tacky. So that's why I decided to go ahead and trim my nails. And Lash Gang, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel if you have not done so already. And if you have, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. We are on the road to 200 subscribers. So thank you guys again. Or not. For me, I like more of a long term, so that's why I went ahead and used the glue. And then for the next step, you can just see that I am cleaning out the tip of my nails just in case. It really wasn't too much in my nails, but like I said, it has a clear tip, so I didn't want, it's better to be safe than sorry. I didn't want nothing to show up after I took time out of my day to glue these on. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? So once my nails have been cleaned out, that's when I go in with the other side of the stick and I push back my cuticles just so the nail can lay properly on my nail bed, so it can look as realistic as possible. And I feel like that's what helped with making it look real, because you can't see where they start. It's really a really cute natural look, honestly. You'll see, you'll see. After that, I'm gonna go in with my nail file and just go ahead and buff my nails just to remove any of the shine. So when I put the glue on my fingers, it'll actually be able to stick to it. You know, the adhesive will work versus being on that smooth, shiny surface and not sticking. now it is time to let the magic begin. We are getting ready to start gluing on the nails. The fun part, guys. All right, Lash Gang, thank you guys so much for tuning in this far into the video. The rest of this video is just going to be self-explanatory. I'm just going to be applying the different nails to each finger. But I do want to ask you guys for your advice below. So go ahead and comment if you've tried the Kiss brand of press-on nails, if you loved it, or if you recommend a different brand, or even want to see me do another brand and, you know, upload a video and let you guys know my opinion on it. Just go ahead and reach out and let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, gang, I love you and thank you all. Thank you so much for supporting me and just allowing me to be able to go hard on this channel. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys.